Message to Senator Alan Peter Cayetano and his group: please stop bending the law and stop violating the law of the Philippines, especially when you're protecting a fugitive from the law of the land, especially Ronald Bato de la Rosa, the, sen- the senator from Davao City, Philippines, and also the Vice President of the Republic of the Philippines, Sara Duterte Carpio. Stop protecting that woman because she's a corrupt official here in our country. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe on my YouTube channel.